How does a radio work? Have you ever wondered how a radio brings your favorite tunes and talk shows right into your living room? Let's break down the fascinating mechanics behind this beloved device. A radio is a gadget that sends and receives information using invisible waves known as radio waves. These waves are a kind of electromagnetic wave, traveling through the air at the speed of light. Both antique and modern radios operate on this fundamental principle, although the technology inside has evolved significantly over the years. To start, let's look at the transmitter. The transmitter takes sound, such as music or a voice, and converts it into an electrical signal. This signal is then combined with a radio wave called a carrier wave. The process of combining these two signals is known as modulation. There are two primary types of modulation: amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation alters the height of the carrier wave to transmit sound, while frequency modulation changes the speed at which the wave vibrates. After modulation, the signal travels through an antenna. This antenna, often a metal rod or wire, radiates the radio waves into the air. These waves continue to travel until they reach a receiving antenna, which connects to a radio receiver. The receiver captures the radio waves and uses a tuner to select the specific frequency of the station you want to enjoy. This tuner acts like a filter, allowing only the desired signal to pass through while blocking others. The chosen signal is then amplified to strengthen it and demodulated, which means separating the original sound signal from the carrier wave. Finally, the sound signal is sent to a speaker or headphones, converting it back into audible sound. For collectors of antique and vintage radios, understanding how radios work adds to the appreciation of their craftsmanship and innovation. Antique radios often showcase unique designs, hand-wired circuits, and mechanical tuning mechanisms that differ from modern digital radios. Many collectors take joy in restoring old radios to working condition, which may involve repairing or replacing parts like vacuum tubes, capacitors, and speakers. Knowing how radios function also helps collectors identify rare models and understand their historical significance. Practical skills for collectors include testing and troubleshooting old radios, recognizing authentic parts, and safely operating vintage equipment. Collectors often seek radios with original components, distinctive cabinet styles, or those made by famous manufacturers. Understanding radio technology allows collectors to care for their pieces better and share their knowledge with others interested in the history of broadcasting and electronics.